A warm welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how Rista is made in Wazwan. This video has been made with the help of our Kashmiri chefs or Wazas. Rista is an important variety in Wazwan. It's a main dish of Kashmiri royal feast Wazwan. It's pounded meat in balls and slow cooked till tender. So let's get started. For making this, they have taken boneless meat. Here you can see, and in Kashmiri, meat with fat is preferred. Here you can see it's a boneless, and now they will start pounding on a specifically flat stone and wooden mallet. First he will take one piece, then start pounding it. And then he will add other pieces. Slowly he will be adding all the meat and keep pounding it till it's soft. Kashmiri Wazwan is an art in itself, and everything is done manually till date, and it's cooked in copper vessels or simmering fire of wood that retains its taste and uniqueness. They will keep pounding it till it's very soft and its texture changes. Now they will add salt to it and keep pounding. Now a big chunk of fat is added, and they will keep pounding it till it's totally soft and smooth. When it's fully pounded, it becomes very soft. Now they will be adding spices. The spices added while pounding are cumin seeds and black cardamom powder, and salt. I have already shown you that they added salt also. Now they will keep pounding it, and they keep moistening it with a sprinkle of water so that it doesn't dry up. Here you can see the texture is quite soft, and they will keep removing any veins or granular things if it's visible, like this. Now here you can see it's very soft. Takes good amount of time to pound it, and as you can see it's done manually. And here you can see it's pounded properly. So they will keep it aside now in fridge for around half an hour, so they will moisten the surface. Here you can see now it's ready to go in the fridge. Now moving to gravy. In a pot they have taken good amount of mutton stock. Then they will be adding 2 teaspoons of chili powder. You can see the teaspoon is heaped, and 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 cloves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder, 7 to 8 green cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, and a big ladle of oil. Now it will be kept on flame so that it gets cooked. Now they have taken out the pounded meat, and they will add egg to it, and here you can see they are mixing it with soft strokes. They will mix it and pound it a little bit, then it will be shaped into round balls or ristas. Now they are pounding it and mixing egg properly, and here now they will shape them into small ristas, small balls, and then keep them dipped in water. Here you can see how they make them. They roll them on the wooden log, and then with their hands they shape them into balls. And they keep moistening their hands with water. Here you can see the rista is ready. Now they will keep dip them in water. The gravy they had made has been boiling. Now they will be adding ristas. Here you can see it's on the fire, it's already cooking on the fire, and they will cook it around 30 to 45 minutes. And meanwhile they have kept the shallots or prawn ready. They have fried it and then made it to a paste. Now it has been boiling for some time, and then they will add shallot or prawn paste. Here the shallot or prawn paste is added, and they will keep it boiling for some time till they become tender and gravy thickens and oil is visible on the surface. Here you can see it's still boiling. Now they have dished it out, or else in Wazwan it's served by wazas or chefs as a main course on the trami. Give this dish a try and let me know in comments how it turns. Thank you for watching, and do remember us in your prayers. Have a good day.